Hello everyone, I'm Yutaro Goto from Blue. Today, I would like to talk about a project that our company is working on. Alongside IT-related business, our company also works to organize fashion and music events such as Girl Sense. And we are developing businesses with a mixture of virtual and real elements. We have received much feedback from these kinds of environments, and we have been wanting to spark innovation in the events industry as well.
Do you know what a music sequencer is? For those in the music production or game production fields, it is an indispensable item. We would like to take this music sequencer to a whole new level and create a new means of entertainment by combining IT technology to make it easier to use and capable of so much more. To explain simply, a music sequencer is the software used during music production. It is a system where each instrument or tone is placed on a different track, and these multiple tracks are structured as layers. These tracks are played simultaneously to record and play back. Each track can be played or muted, and we can record as we play back. Therefore, each part can be recorded separately, then layered together to produce the desired sounds of music. Controlled data called MIDI can be put alongside the time axis to record each track, allowing for things like automated instruments to make up for a live musician during concert performances. A long time ago, music production meant that all the necessary musicians would gather together at a large-scale studio for pre-production and the whole process all the way to the final production. But ever since the development of digital technology, we have shifted to be centered around a DAW, or a digital audio workstation. Professionals in the music industry began to compose, mix, and even master their music using DAW softwares, and because of its convenience, it became popular amongst game music creators, individual songwriters and composers, and even amateur bands. The software at the core of all this is the music sequencer. However, due to the differences between different softwares, there are still many problems and inconveniences that we face, including compatibility issues, operational problems, and the complexity and hassle of sending and receiving data. Today, even though sound production from different locations has become possible, current music sequencers make it necessary for each musician to send and receive huge project files, while the producer and engineer must manage and organize all pieces of the project. They have to gather all individual recordings into one big project, making the whole production process actually quite local. They also have to be extra careful with data preservation and aware of the differences in the many versions they must handle. What I would like to introduce to you today is rayznotes, which will solve these problems and take music production to the next stage with additional features that propose a more pleasant solution to the music production experience. We realized that the development of a cloud-based music sequencer could solve these problems. By placing the project file in the cloud network, and by adding project management capabilities to the sequencers themselves, each musician will be able to work with just their track. This also makes it possible to simultaneously and interdependently record, edit, and produce sounds through the network. This resolves the problem of having to send and receive massive data files. The combination of existing music production technology and IT technology makes it possible to create a new music production environment and may also create new means of expression, value, and culture in the music field.
What do you think? rayznotes will not just be a simple music production software, and we are planning to develop various extensible features. We will collaborate with AI and big data to support not only production but also the operation of concepts and connecting applications, as well as so much more. There are so many ideas and possibilities being actively discussed in our office that I simply cannot explain everything here. Thank you. ありがとうございました。